Hello and welcome to another episode of Inspector Gadget, where today is all about this that I've been kindly sent, which is the Eve Room Air Quality Monitor. Okay, so I'm going to get this unboxed and we'll go through it and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so you can see here it works with the Apple Home. Now I am all about Samsung, so I won't be able to download and work the app and show you the app because it's just all with the Apple App Store. So it'll be a bit limited to what I can show you, but I can certainly get this working because it does work with Bluetooth and it's also built on threads, so I should be able to get it to work either way. Okay, so let's get this unboxed. So that's the instructions. Just a little card getting reviews and giving the links to all the social medias. And that is the little dinky device. And as you can see, in comparison to the little booklet, it is really, really small. We've got a charging cable, which is not USB-C. A little bit disappointing, but no biggie. Okay, so this thing, it can track the air quality in your room. It can also track the temperature and humidity. You can choose your favourite layout for the high contrast E-Link display. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery, so obviously we recharge with the included cable. If you're with Team Apple, you can review past conditions by day, month and year. And just on the back there is the little charging port. It's a direct connection to your Bluetooth or threads, so no need for any bridge, any hubs, things like that if you don't really want to use. Okay, so when this thing is fully charged, the battery can last up to 6 weeks, which is impressive. Okay, so look at the little display here. On this menu, it's saying 59%. That is the current humidity. At the bottom is the 5-star rating of the air quality. Mine's showing no stars, so I don't know whether that's because I'm outside in the shed and it might change when I go inside, which I'll check shortly. Otherwise, the air quality where I live is really, really poor, which is a bit worrying. 18.4 degrees, which is the current temperature, which considering we're in November is pretty impressive. Got a dual screen there, 18.4 and 59. Well, actually, that's your current air quality rating. Nothing's coming up, so maybe it's because I'm outside in the shed. That's pretty much all I can show you in this video because, like I said, I don't have any Apple products, so I can't download the app or connect it to any HomePods or even Apple TV, things like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. So it is a nifty little product. So the current price on it at the moment is both on Amazon and Currys is $87.99. So I will link them below, of course. If you want to buy one, then please use my affiliate link to support my channel and no extra cost to you. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found some value from it. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll make sure I'll see you all in the next video soon. Bye bye for now.